In a world where technology and creativity collide, there's a powerful force driving design innovation. It's time to demystify AI and unlock its potential for graphic design and visual branding. Welcome to AI Deep Design. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is reshaping the world of graphic design? It's not just about algorithms and data. AI has become a creative ally, an extension of your imagination and skills. Imagine having an intelligent design assistant that can generate endless ideas, assist with complex tasks, and inspire your creative process. AI is here to enhance your capabilities and push the boundaries of what's possible. And the best part? AI is for everyone. Regardless of your background or experience, you can harness the power of AI to elevate your graphic design skills and bring your ideas to life. Our channel offers a unique learning experience designed to make AI approachable and accessible. We believe in fostering creativity, collaboration, and inclusivity within the design community. Through hands-on projects and examples, we'll guide you through the fascinating world of AI-powered graphic design. You'll discover cutting-edge tools, explore AI-generated art, and gain many valuable insights. Regardless of your graphic design or visual branding background experience, we can help you unlock new powerful skills, possibilities, and unleash your creativity. Join us on this transformative adventure. Subscribe to our channel and be part of the AI design revolution. I'll see you next time.